Hi everyone, and welcome to our very first module in Nursing 651. So in this module, we're going to cover 2 weeks of a time period, and we're going to dive into some of those broader aspects of population health. And we're going to start out by taking a step back and looking at the triple aim and how that is shaping healthcare and guiding us as far as being the change in healthcare. There's also a video that you may find to be very enlightening as far as some of those really important factors that we need to consider as we're transforming healthcare, and in particular about population health management. We're also going to examine the American Organization of Nursing Leadership. The name has changed. It was formerly the American Organization of Nurse Executives, but they have competencies that are defined for population health. So that's part of the assignment that we will be doing for this particular module, is doing a self-assessment, a kind of a self-evaluation of what areas you really want to focus on to build your population health practice. And we're also going to, in conjunction with AONL's competencies, we're going to take a look at the Masters, the AACN Masters Essentials. And those are the essentials that outline what's mandated for master's level education. So there's some particular essentials that directly correlate with population health, and then the other essentials also correlate, but they don't use the word population health per se, but really every aspect of nursing correlates with population health practice. And we're going to dive into some of those resources that you will find to be helpful as you're doing your discussion boards and as well as when you're doing your assignments. So just know that there are some key resources and key foundation that we're building in Module 1. So pay special attention not only to looking at the content and reading the content, but also knowing that this content is here because you will be using it throughout the course as well. So again, we're laying that foundation. And we're looking at the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation. We're looking at the Institute of Medicine's report, The Future of Nursing. And then we're diving into your professional growth plan that will be due the second week of this module. We're also doing a discussion board the first week to lay that groundwork as we move forward in this particular module. So if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. I look forward to sharing this module with you.